Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about the nature of marketing. The nature of marketing involves the various activities which are as follows. First one is the complex activity. Complex means an activity which are closely connected with each other. For example, making a tea. For making a tea we require the tea powder, water, milk, sugar, burner, etc. It means, in that case, if one item is excluded from that, the tea is not made the perfectly. So they are closely connected with each other. So in marketing also there are the various complicated activities which are depend on the success of marketing. First one is the quality of product. The quality of product is depend on the satisfaction of the customer. When customer find a product they trust, they return, make repeat purchase and recommended the product or services to others, which generate the loyalty about that product in the mind of the customer. Second one is the price of the product. Means the price of the product or services are reasonable or are easily affordable by the customer to buy it and use it. It means the price is the money that customer must pay for a product or services. Then the next is the study of competition in the market. It means the study of competitors in the market, the study of products which are produced in the market, the study of the customer demands in the market, then the study of new enterprise which are entered into the market. Next one is the study of marketing environment. In that we can study the internal, means the customer, employees or distributor, how they influenced by the marketing environment, and the external, which are the political, social, technologies, how they can influence the marketing environment. Next step one is the consumer response. It means the feedback from the customer. It depends on the level of satisfaction of the customer after using the product. What is the customer response about the product? Means its color, its quality, its design, its price, etc. Considering all these aspects, deciding marketing policy is very difficult. Second activity is the dynamic activity. Dynamic is stand for change. It means marketing is the dynamic activity. Nature of marketing changes according to the changes in the general environment, means changes in the choices of the customer, preferences of the customer, taste of the customer, habit of the customer. After finding customer needs and wants, it is necessary to develop or produce such goods or services. It means when we find our potential customer, it is necessary to develop or produce those goods which satisfy the customer. Because of globalization there is need to advertise the product. It means to get the idea about the product or to get the information about the product, it is necessary to advertise the product. Third point is the economic activity. It means the ultimate aim of the marketing is to earn the maximum profit by satisfying the needs and wants of the customers. The economic activity is stand for the buying or selling the commodities or services by customer to satisfy the day-to-day needs of life by the exchange of money. It is concerned with the final consumer, means marketing is concerned with putting goods and services in the hand of the final consumer. This donates that the marketing is an economic process which ends with the economic benefit. The final consumer means a person who can buy the product and use it for his personal satisfaction only. Fourth point is the customer oriented. Marketing is the customer oriented activity because the customer is the king of the market. The market can produce or develop those products which are uses by the customer. It means according to their taste, choice, habit, preferences of the customers. The marketing is centered towards the customer because marketing is start with the customer and end with also the customer. Then the next point is the multi-dimensional activity. Marketing involves the various activities which influence to the marketing. Marketing is all the inclusive activity means activity right from finding the customer and to satisfaction of the customer. It means it is not a single activity but includes the various activities such as the production, planning, research, advertising, selling, warehousing, etc. Means marketing selling. In marketing, selling is the main activity which is supported by so many different related activities. Therefore, marketing is a multi-dimensional activity. Sixth point is the human activity. Originally, the term marketing is indirectly related with the human being, means the customer, and it is a human act. It means marketing is a human act for human satisfaction, because in marketing, human needs and wants are satisfied by the human efforts. Then, the next point is the creative idea. It means marketing is creative in nature because the world is changing day to day. There are the various new innovations, new technologies, new creation, new views, new things are entered into the market. With the help of these marketing, with the help of these points, the marketing can solve the various problems in a creative manners. So, if you have any doubt about this, you can reply me. You can reply me or you can contact me. So, thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.